In front of me is Hotwav T5 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off adaptive brightness. You need to begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling down just a bit to access Display. Following that, click on Adaptive Brightness and tap on the gray switcher next to Use Adaptive Brightness to activate it. As you can see, Auto Brightness is now on. If you wish to switch it off, tap on the same, now yellow switcher. You can also go into Tab menu and use this shortcut with a sun located next to Brightness slider. After tapping on it, you can turn on or off adaptive brightness. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!